Zamboanga Peninsula is designated as Region 9. The name Zamboanga came from the Malay word Sambangan, meaning a place where white flowers grow. The region consists of the 3 provinces and 2 cities. Regional center Pagadian City consists 67 municipalities and 1,904 barangay, and the land area is 17,056.73 km, and the population as of 2015 3,629,783.
Zamboanga del Norte, Geography and Location. The province is bordered on the north and west by the Sulu Sea, on the northeast by Misamis Occidental, and on the south by Zamboanga del Sur. Zamboanga, Sibuya. Capital. The provincial capital of Zamboanga del Norte is Dipolog City. Size. Zamboanga del Norte has an area of about 7,301 square kilometers, and the population as of the 2020 census has a population of 1,047,455. Where to go in Zamboanga del Norte? This is the 3 famous tourist attractions in Zamboanga del Norte. The first one is Dacac Beach. The famous Dacac Beach is most known for its trickling-shaped bay and powdery white sand, and as a diving mecca in Mindanao. Ang Dacac Beach ay kilala dahil sa its trickling-shaped and powdery white sand. The next one is Sungkilaw Falls. It's a beautiful waterfall located in Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines, surrounded by lush forests. It offers a peaceful and scenic spot, perfectly for relaxation and nature appreciation. The third one is Sinalog Island. Located in the Pitan City, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines, is known for its shifting sandbar shaped by the seasonal winds, amihan and habagat, making it a unique and scenic destination. At ang Sinilog Island ay kilala dahil sa pabago-bagong shape ng sandbar sa seasonal wind ng amihan at habagat. What to eat in Zamboanga del Norte? These are the 3 food delicacies in Zamboanga del Norte. The first one is moron. Moron is a type of Filipino dessert, especially a chocolate-flavored version of suman. Glutinous rice wrapped in banana and leaves. Ang moron ay isang uri ng suman. And the next one is tagatak. Crispy nut-like snack made from ground sticky rice, coconut, milk, egg, sugar, and sweet potato flour. It resembles curly fried pancit bihon with fine crunchy standard. Ang tagatak naman ay
Next is binaki, a delicious dessert made of grated young corn with milk wrapped in corn husks and steamed. Ang binaki ay giniling na corn at nibalot sa corn husks.
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako si John Don Benedict Piri. At ngayon ay tatalakayin natin ang province of Zamboanga Sibugay. Zamboanga Sibugay. Ang Zamboanga Sibugay ay matatagpuan daw sa south central section of Zamboanga Peninsula in western Mindanao. At border ito ng Zamboanga del Norte to the north and Zamboanga del Sur to the east at Zamboanga City to the southwest. The size of Zamboanga Sibugay is cover a total area of 3,687.75 square kilometers and 1,392.96 square miles. And the population of Zamboanga Sibugay as of the 2020 census is 669,640. Where to go in Zamboanga, Sibugay? First, Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark in Zamboanga, built by Narciso, aka Tatay Jack Sardual. In RT Lim is a massive boat he started in 2002 and nearly completed alone after 10 years. Second, Tagbilat Falls. Tagbilat Falls or Malagandis Falls in Titay, Zamboanga, Sibugay is known for its raw beautiful and is often called the Certain Falls of the province is captivating visitor with its raw natural charm. Next is Sibugay Bay. Sibugay Bay or Sibugay Bay is a large bay of the Moro Gulf. It's situated on the southwestern coast of the Mindanao Island in the Philippines. What to eat in Zamboanga, Sibugay? First, chalos. Chalos is a slow-cooked Spanish straw made from stripe, chorizo, nut pudding, and tomato. It is especially from Madrid and is traditional considered Persian food. Next is beef rendang. Rendang is a fried meat or dry curry made of meat straw in coconut milk and spices. Widely popular across Borneo, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and the Philippines, where its version is considered local cuisine. Last, seafood paella. Seafood paella is a well-known dish in Zamboanga, Sibugay. It's a rice dish cooked with various sauce, seafood, milk, and vegetable.
Zamboanga City is one of the largest cities in the Philippines by land area with a size of about 1,500 kilometers. Population. As of the 2020 census, it has a population of 9,777 and 234. Where to go in Zamboanga City? The first one is Mount Pulong-Bato. Mount Pulong-Bato or Mount Columbato is a mountain in Pasonanca Natural Park, Zamboanga City, known for its geological significance and scenic view. The next one is Santa Cruz Island. Santa Cruz Island in Zamboanga City is known for its rare pink sand beach located about 4 kilometers south or downtown in the Basilan Strait. Ang Santa Cruz Island ay kilala dahil sa rare pink sand beach. Merliket Falls. Merliket Falls is a two-tiered waterfall preserved with a verdant landscape. The upper tier, rode 5 meters high and 10 meters wide, boasts dramatic judge rock formation in a natural slide that plunges into a refreshing pool. What to eat in Zamboanga City? The first one is churacha, a unique hybrid of sea crab and spin lobster, is renowned in Zamboanga and best enjoyed fresh. This delicacy is famously served at Labar Seafood Restaurant and La Vista del Mar. The second one is beef kurma. Beef kurma is a celebrated dish in Zamboanga, similar to curry, may serve as wonderful texture and moderately spiced like due to the meticulous slow cooking of the meat in coconut milk. Ang beef kurma ay similar sa curry. Third one is chupaculo. Chupaculo is a traditional dish of snail cooked in rich broth of squash and coconut. Ang chupaculo ay similar sa susong palipit na
The capital of Bukidnon is Malibelay City, which lies the heart of province. Malibelay is recognized for its cultural significance and plays a vital role in the region's development. The largest region, whatever, is Valencia City. So, the size of Bukidnon has the total land area of 10,496 square meters, making it the largest province in Mindanao in terms of land area. So, the population of Bukidnon as of the 2020 census, Bukidnon has population of 1,541,300, making it the most population province in region Northern Mindanao. So, where to go? So, ano nga ba yung mga pwede natin puntahan kapag pumunta tayo sa Bukidnon? So, ang number one na pwede natin puntahan sa Bukidnon is the Hilayan Adventure Park, located at the footpath of Kitanglad in Bukidnon. Offers a variety of thrilling attractions, including Asia's longest dual zipline. So, ang The Hilayan Adventure Park ay isa sa mga pinakasikat na tourist destination sa Bukidnon. At kilala ito bilang adventure and ecotourism park na matagpuan sa barangay Dahilayan, Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon. So, bukod sa adventure, binibigyang diin din ng parke ang pangangalaga sa kalikasan, nagpapalibot ito ng mga kagubatan at malinis na hangin. The second one is Mount Dulang-Dulang, standing at 2,941 meters, and the second highest mountain in the Philippines. Located in Lantapan, Bukidnon, it is considered sacred by the Tanlaandang tribe. Ang Mount Dulang-Dulang ay hindi lamang isa sa pinakamataas na bundok sa Pilipinas, kundi isa ring likas at kultura na yaman ng Bukidnon na pinapangalagaan ng mga katutubo at iniingatan bilang bahagi ng ating kalikasan. The third one is Lake Apo. Lake Apo, Valencia, Bukidnon is a 24-hectare lake known for its clean, green waters. It was recognized as the cleanest inland body of water in northern Mindanao in the late 1990s. Ang Lake Apo ay isang magandang ligas na tanawin sa Bukidnon, na kilala na malinis ng nitong tubig, malamig na klima at tahimik na kapaligiran, kaya ito ay paboritong pasyalan ng mga turista at mga pangalaga ng kalikasan. So, ang next naman po natin is yung mga delicacies ng Bukidnon. So, number one na po dito ang banatas. Ang banatas ay isang matamis na kakanin o local delicacy mula sa Bukidnon, lalo na sa mga lugar gaya ng Malaybalay. Ito ay ginagawang pang merienda o pangregalo at madalas mabibili sa mga pasalubong centers. Saan nga ba gawa ang banatas? Gawa ito sa latik. The second one na delicacies ng Bukidnon is pineapple pie. Ginagamit sa pie ang fresh at matamis na pinya na galing mismo sa mga plantation sa Bukidnon, kaya natural ang lasa at hindi gawa sa canned pineapple. So, the third one is agkud. Ang agkud ay isang uri ng fermented or preserved food na gawa sa mga lokal na sangkap tulad ng mais, bigas o tubers, depende sa tradisyon ng lugar. So, Misamis Oriental. Misamis Oriental is a province in the northern Mindanao region of the Philippines. It is situated in the northern part of Mindanao and is bordered by the provinces of Bukidnon and Agusan del Norte, with the Bohol Sea to its north. So, the capital of Misamis Oriental is the province capital is Cagayan de Oro City, which also serves as the regional center of northern Mindanao. However, it is governed independently from the province. So, Misamis Oriental has a total land area of approximately 300,131,000 square kilometers. So, the population of Misamis Oriental is, as the 2020 census, the population of Misamis Oriental, including Cagayan de Oro, was 956,900. So, where to go in Misamis Oriental? So, number 1 na doon is ang Mapawan Nature Park. Ang Mapawan Nature Park ay mayaman sa kalikasan na may mga matatayog na puno, malilinaw na ilog at mga talon. Ang mga tanawin dito ay perpekto para sa mga mahilig sa kalikasan at photography. Na humigit kulang 100 talampakan na nagbibigay ng kahangang-hangang tanawin. So, number 3 is Agutayan Island. Ay isang maliit na isla o sandbar na matatagpuan sa bayan ng nasaang sa lulugan ng Misamis Oriental, hilagang bahagi ng Mindanao. Kilala ito sa maputing buhangin, malinaw na tubig at masaganang buhay sa dagat. So, ang mga delicacies naman po ng Misamis Oriental is sinuglaw. So, ang sinuglaw po ay, saan nga ba gawa ang sinuglaw? Ay isang tradisyon na pagkaing Pilipino na gawa sa kombinasyon ng dalawang ulam. Number 2 is sinugba. Ibig sabihin na ay inihaw na baboy, karaniwang liempo grilled belly. So, number 2, kinilaw. Hilaw na isda, niluto sa suka, karaniwang fresh na tuna na may kalamansi, suka, luya, sibuyas at sili. Halang-halang. Ang halang-halang ay gawang Visayas at Mindanao. Isang maanghang na sabaw na karaniwang may manok at gata. Ito ay perpekto sa malamig na panahon o kapag gusto mo ng ulam na may anghang at init. So, ang pangatlo po ay sikwate. Ang sikwate ay gawang tableya kakao na niluto sa mainit na tubig at ito ay local na chocolate.
First, let's explore province of Misamis Occidental. Misamis Occidental is located in northern Mindanao region. The province is bordered by Bohol Sea, Iligan Bay, Zamboanga del Sur, and Zamboanga del Norte. Misamis Occidental is known for its natural beauty, including waterfalls, beaches, and lush landscape. The capital of the Misamis Occidental is city of Oroquieta. Misamis Occidental is cover an area of approximately 2,006.63 square kilometers or 774.76 square miles. As of 2020 census, Misamis Occidental had population of 617,333 people. This province is a heaven for nature lover. Mount Malindang is a protected area that feature moist forests, enchanting lakes, and dramatic mountain views. And it's home for a rare Philippine eagle. And you can also visit Lake Duminagat. Lake Duminagat is a peaceful for boating and swimming. And if you want an adventure, you can go in Piduan Curtain Falls. When it comes to local food, you must try buwad or dried fish. Misamis City is known for its wide selection of dried fish or buwad, particularly danggit and pusit, dried squid, often enjoyed with rice and vinegar dipping sauce. Next is humbag, a Bisaya-style braised pork belly dish cooked in soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and garlic. And banana blossom. Its sweet savor and melt in your mouth, commonly served during fiesta and family event. Last is torta sa oroqueta, a sweet fluffy sponge cake traditionally made in tuba or coconut wine as a leveling agent. It's a local delicacy in Oroqueta City, often served during celebration or given as a pasalubong. Next is province of Lanao del Norte. Lanao del Norte is known as a land of beauty and bounty. Lanao del Norte offers unspoiled natural beauty. It shares borders with Lanao del Sur, Zamboanga del Sur, and the Bohol Sea. The province is known for its scenic landscape, waterfalls, and cultural heritage. The provincial capital is Tubod. Lanao del Norte covers an area of approximately 346.57 square kilometers or 1,295.5 square miles. As of 2020 census, Lanao del Norte has a population of 722,902. Nature is one of Lanao del Norte's greatest asset. First is Tinago Falls. Enjoying swimming in its cold turquoise water and marvel at the surrounding natural beauty. The name Tinago means hidden in Filipino. Next is Maria Cristina Falls, one of the most famous waterfalls in the Philippines. Cascade down massive cliff face for over 98 meters, creating a mesmerizing sight located in Iligan City. Last is Cathedral Falls. Cathedral Falls is a picturesque waterfalls surrounded by verdant forests. Capture its beauty through photography or simply enjoying the peacefully atmosphere. When it's come to food, we have dudol, a sticky, sweet delicacy made from glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, and muscovado sugar. Dudol is a dark, chewy, and often served during special occasion like wedding and celebration. Next is palapa, a signature Maranao condiment made from sakurab, native scallion, ginger, and chili sauteed in coconut oil. It's spicy and aromatic, often used as a flavor base or side to almost any dish. And last is Tiluya Itung, a unique black beef soup made from burnt coconut, palapa itung, and spices. Although more common among the Tausug, it is also appreciated in Maranao communities for its deep, smoky flavor.
Kaminguin. Kaminguin is officially province of Kaminguin. It's an island province in the Philippines located in the Bohol Sea, about 10 kilometers off northern coast of mainland Mindanao. It is geographically part of the Region 10. The northern Mindanao region of the country and formerly a part of Misamis Oriental Province. Capital of Kaminguin is Mambadjao. The size of Kaminguin is 241.44 square kilometers or 93.22 square miles. The population of Kaminguin estimated in 2025 is 92,808. Where to go in Kaminguin? Cross marker, jump, and sunken cemetery. The sunken cemetery in Kaminguin, Philippines is a historical site and popular diving spot that was submerged due to the volcanic eruption of Mount Hibok-Hibok in 1871. The cemetery was bustling burial ground during the Spanish colonial era before being submerged by volcanic eruption. Macau Cold Spring. The Macau Cold Spring in Mahinog, Kaminguin is a popular tourist destination known for its refreshing, crystal clear water. It features a natural pool where visitors can swim alongside the school of small fish, creating a natural spa-like experience. The area is surrounded by large shady trees and enhancing the cool, relaxing atmosphere. Macau Cold Spring. The Macau Cold Spring in Mahinog, Kaminguin is a popular tourist destination known for its refreshing crystal clear waters. It features a natural pool where visitors can swim alongside school of small fish, creating a natural spa-like experience. The land area surrounded by large shady trees, enhancing the cool and relaxation atmosphere. Tanguines Lagoon. Tanguines Lagoon in Mahinog, Kaminguin is a man-made lagoon offering the variety of recreational activities alongside, including ziplining, and features the floating restaurant with fresh seafood. It is man-made lagoon, meaning it was not formed naturally, but rather created or altered by human activity. What to eat in Kaminguin? Pastel de Kaminguin. Pastel de Kaminguin, or simplified pastel, is a Filipino soft bun with yema filling originating from province of Kaminguin. The name is delivered from Spanish pastel. Pastel is an heirloom recipe originally conceived by Eleanor Popera Jose and the members of family in Kaminguin. Kiping. Kiping is a popular snack in Kaminguin Island made from sun-dried cassava paste, dried and then sprinkled with latik, a syrup made from muscovado and coconut milk. Sinuglaw. Sinuglaw is a dish combining grilled pork, sinugba, and a fish cabeche, kinilaw. Is a popular food in Visayas and Mindanao region, but is not specifically known as a Kaminguin specialty, while sinuglaw is a not Kaminguin signature dish. That's all. Thank you.